Hello friends, hope you guys are having an amazing day. It is Saturday morning and I just got my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus in the mail yesterday, and there were some items here that I want to try out with you guys, mainly one, but I just want to give a shout out to Ipsy for this cool drawstring bag. So let me share with you guys really quick a few items that I got in the bag, and then I'm going to go ahead and jump into the item I want to review with you guys. So I got an eye cream by Pure Heals by Nature Valley, this guy over here. I got a Collagen Intense Radiance Activator Serum. This guy apparently is a full-size product because we're supposed to be getting a full-size product, but look how small it is. It looks like a deluxe size. And this was really expensive. I think it was like 50 bucks, something like that. It was just a lot of money. But I'm excited to dive into this. I got a lip balm. Y'all know how much I like lip balms. This is a vitamin E balm by the brand Feel. And I also got two bronzers, one of which I'm going to review with you guys in this video. And the second one is this guy. So this is actually a powdered one. All right, this is what it looks like. I might try this one out. Oh, the protector just fell, who cares? I might try this one out for you guys in this video, but I am more excited about the next bronzer, which I'm gonna show you, okay? So let's get to the whole reason why I wanted to make this video. I want to unbox, review, and try for the first time this Yensa Color and Face Silk Bronzing Base. All right, it is the Sunlight Glow Bronzer and Brush Duo. I'm trying to go fast because my kids are downstairs, they're watching something, and I'm like, just give me a few minutes so I can do this video really quick. So hopefully we can get this done like that, okay? And you guys can go back to your life. So this is, they claim, it's your go-to duo for natural sun-kissed glow. This two-piece kit includes Sunlight Glow, a lightweight silk cream bronzer paired with a skin-perfecting silk bronzer brush. So it is a bronzer and a brush in one. All right, let's get started. Let's go ahead and open it. This is the bronzer itself. Has a little lid. Ooh, it's kind of moussey. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it for you guys. Ooh, you can see the swatch that I did. It's very silky. Let me swatch it behind my hand. Oh, it's very light. Look how light that is. I do like a darker, more obvious bronzer. So I'm not sure how well this will look, but I'm willing to try. And here is the brush. Nice and soft. And now I need a mirror. Hey, I'm gonna use a mirror from this bronzer to apply. All right, so let's get to it. Let me zoom in just a little bit. There we go. And let's get bronzing. Okay. Get some more on there. So I'm gonna apply some and then try to blend it out. So I'm applying it right underneath my cheekbones. Maybe I should do this side because you guys will be able to see it better. Over here I feel like there's a shadow. I'm filming right in front of my window to see if I can get better lighting because I really want you guys to see what I'm doing. Just let me know if you guys like this lighting. It is very light. It's very light. I might have to go back with this powdered bronzer. Let me see if I could if I just layer it. I mean, if you're looking for something that's very natural and very light, this is gonna be the guy for you. Maybe I'm blending it too much. That could be it. All right, so now I'm gonna try to do my nose. This is kind of how I contour. I go right on the sides. So what I do is that I'm gonna try to use just the tip of the brush so that the line is not that thick. All right, let me zoom out. How do I look? I think for sure I look bronzed. I definitely feel like I was able to contour very easily. And this could be a good beginner product for somebody who's learning how to bronze and learning how to contour. Because it does definitely look very natural on the skin, right? It doesn't look like I have bronzer. I look bronzed, but I don't look like I have bronzers. I think it blends out very nicely, okay? That's what I love about cream formulas. And cream formulas tend to last longer on the face, okay? Those are the pros. Let me see. I love this brush. I think I might use this even with like my powdered bronzers. I love how I love the shape. I love that it's small. It's kind of compact so you can really get into your cheekbones to contour. So just a little trick that I do whenever you do apply bronzer this way. If you don't blend it out like down, and you stop right here, you're gonna have a very harsh line and you're gonna look like, yeah, you just made a line right across your cheek. So what you wanna do is that, a way for you to blend it out nicely is to blend it just a little bit down, just a little bit. Just down, okay? So for sure, like I said, it looks natural. And I do want natural, but sometimes I want my bronzer to be like, not the main show or like the main thing in my face, but I do want it to pop a little more. I have to see if this will last all day. Like I said, cream foundations, cream blushes and cream bronzers tend to last longer. But since this one's so light, I'm not sure if it's gonna last the whole day. I don't know. We'll have to see. But it does look natural. I do look like I'm glowing, I think. I still need to put on some blush. But I do want something, I prefer something a little deeper. So the cons is I think that this might work only for those who are around my skin tone or lighter, okay? If you are darker than I am, have a darker complexion, this may not work. It'll just blend right into your skin and you won't be able to see it. It won't be a bronzer. You can use it for other ways, like maybe an eyeshadow or I don't know what other way, depending on your complexion. Yeah, it may not work. So that would be the con. It reminds me a lot of the Chanel one. My sister has a Chanel one that's kind of moussey and it's very natural like this one. So that one does remind me of that one. So I don't know, I'm gonna have to play with it a little more, wear it. I'm gonna have to see if it does last the whole day. But just for days where maybe I don't want my bronzer to pop and I just want to look natural like this, I might use this guy. So again, I love the brush. This I'm gonna have to play with more. It's too light for me. You know what, let me try this guy. So you have a cool tone and you have a warm tone. So this guy over here is more of like a cool tone and that's a warm tone, you see? So this bronzer that I'm using is very warm. You see how it's closer to this guy over here? Let me see, maybe try the cool one. There we go. There we go. Now we're getting to the bronzer that I like. That's what I like, guys. You see, and that's why I use powder ones, because they give me what I want. Oh yeah. I have to blend it out a little more. This is the bronzing look that I like. Maybe I need to blend it a little more on top. I should go get like my real mirror, but I'm just lazy. I like this guy. So maybe if you did get these 2 items in your Ipsy bag, try this guy, and then you can set it with a powder one like I did, and you'll look like this. All right, guys, that's about it. I'll put a link below to where you guys can purchase this one and this one. I'll also put a link below if you guys want to sign up for Ipsy. All right, that's about all. Don't forget, our hope in life and death is not in makeup, it's in Christ alone. Stay tuned for a few messages for myself. Love you all, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye. Hey friends, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my videos. It really does mean the world to me that you take time out of your busy schedule to check me out. So thank you so much. I have a few messages to share with you guys. They won't take long at all, I promise. So number 1, I accept prayer requests. There's a list that we have here at my house that me and my family pray for every single day. So if you have a prayer request and you want us to add you to the list, just go ahead and contact me. You can leave a comment below, or you can email me or contact me through any of my social media platforms, and we will go ahead and add you to that list. Number 2, if you are on Instagram or Facebook, you should totally be following me. Why? Because I post a lot more content there than I do here. I share with you guys just my everyday life, pictures of my kids, recipes, what I do on the Insta stories, and all that good stuff. So if you are there, go ahead and follow me. And number 3, if you are not already part of this family, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you get notified. We have so much fun here. I post videos on my life, I do vlogs, I do makeup reviews, I do recipes, and also I do Bible studies. So if you're interested, go ahead and join our family. We would love to have you. All right, guys, so that's about it. That was nice, short, and sweet for you guys. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget, our hope in life and death is in Christ Jesus. Love you all, and I will see you on my next video, Lord willing. Bye.